Shalom. First and foremost, like give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai Hashem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem. In the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai, those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, belongs to us. The last one got our tongue, and I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Akim, Akwa, and I say Shalom. And this is another sit down lesson that I want to bring out of earthquakes in diverse places as of January 26, 2026, on this Monday afternoon. On this Monday morning, I'm at Sislaki. And you had a 2.9 earthquake in the Petaluma, California, 5.2 earthquake recorded in the Kermadec Islands of New Zealand, 3.7 earthquake recorded 42 kilometers north of northwest of Gaps, Nevada, 4.2 earthquake recorded 60 kilometers north of Nasi of Indonesia, 5.2 earthquake recorded 139 kilometers east of southeast Savaria, of course, of Russia, 3.6 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers southwest of Big Lake, Alaska, 4.5 earthquake recorded 155 kilometers southwest of Labuan of Indonesia, 4.1 earthquake recorded 40 kilometers south of Dalbandin of Pakistan, 3.0 earthquake recorded in the northwest of Nelson, Lagoon of Alaska, 2.5 earthquake recorded 27 kilometers west of northwest of Anchor Point, Alaska, 5.1 earthquake recorded 50 kilometers south of Alahuna of Tonga, 4.8 earthquake recorded 175 kilometers south of southwest Savaria, of course, of Russia. Then you had a 2.6 earthquake recorded 16 kilometers east of Walker Lake, Nevada, 5.1 earthquake recorded in the Kermadec Islands of New Zealand, 2.5 earthquake recorded 9 kilometers north of northwest of Dilianon, 4.0 earthquake recorded 20 kilometers north, 20 kilometers west of northwest of Tally, Alaska, if I pronounced that right. And then you had a 4.1, you had a 5.1 earthquake 175 kilometers southeast of Valley Ski of Russia, 4.3 earthquake recorded west of San Antonio de Las Cabras of Argentina, 4.5 earthquake recorded 12 kilometers north of northeast of Valley El Carmen, Nicaragua, 3.0 earthquake recorded 16 kilometers of Cruz Bay, U.S. Virgin Islands. And then you had a 5.0 earthquake in the West Macquarie Islands, 3.0 earthquake recorded 68 kilometers southeast of Dali National Park, Alaska. And then you had a 5.5 earthquake recorded 9 kilometers east and southeast of Daliga, Daliga, China. And then you had a 4.2 earthquake recorded 12 kilometers south of Santa Lucia in Peru. And then you had a 5.7 earthquake recorded west of Macquarie Islands. And then you had a 4.9 earthquake 173 kilometers southeast of Valley Ski of Russia, over that eastern peninsula in that region. 2.7 earthquake recorded 12 kilometers west to southwest of Anacortes of Washington. 5.4 earthquake recorded 74 kilometers south of Albunulia, Tonga. And then you had a 2.7 earthquake recorded 71 kilometers northwest of Yapata, Alaska. 4.6 earthquake recorded in the Azu Islands, Japan region. And then you had a 5.8 earthquake recorded in the southern mid-Atlantic ridge. Another 5.1 was an aftershock of that 5.8 earthquake. And then the aftershock of it was a 5.0 earthquake in the southern mid-Atlantic ridge. And then you had a 3.2 earthquake 61 kilometers north of Cruz Bay, U.S. Virgin Islands. And then you had a 4.1 earthquake 111 kilometers north of Labuan of Baljul of Indonesia, if I pronounced that right. Then you had a 5.1 earthquake recorded 134 kilometers northeast of La Pasias of Timor-Leste region. 4.4 earthquake recorded 15 kilometers southeast of Sandra E of Turkey. And then you had a 4.4 earthquake recorded 35 kilometers of San Gadia of Philippines, if I pronounced that right. 4.5 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers northeast of Awazami of Japan. So those was the latest earthquakes from yesterday of the 25th all the way to the 26th, and then you had a total of 54 earthquakes was recorded from yesterday of the 25th all the way to the 26th of January. So bring up that Luke 21, and this is the Gospel of Luke 21, and yep, the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. Because we definitely going to be seeing the modern day uptick of earthquakes in diverse places. And this is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. Then I'm going to close it up. Yep, this is the Gospel of Luke 21 and verse 11. It says, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. Right, so that's what we're seeing. Great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. And famines of pestilence and fruitful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. Right, that's what Yahushua spoke about. We're going to be seeing the increase in great signs of earthquakes in various places and earthquakes in diverse places. So this was just a quick sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of the earthquakes in diverse places as of January 26, 2026 on this Monday morning. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Hashem Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and this Hashem in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew. The Lashon Kodash, the Holy Tongue, and I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles. While I get my coffee until the next time, I would say Korban Sharala and above the wall, Shalom.